Hi students, now we are studying first chapter of ninth standard mathematics. Okay, this is where we stopped in the last class. Okay, that is equal sets. Two sets are said to be equal if they contain exactly the same elements. Otherwise, they are said to be unequal. Okay, in other words, two sets A and B are said to be equal if every element A is also an element of B. Every element of B is also an element of A. Consider for an example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal to 4, 2, 3, 1. Since A and B contain exactly the same elements, A and B are equal sets. Okay. What is this? Are the sets of 5, 0, and this one is also 5, equal or equivalent? They are not equal, right? 0 is an element here. 5 means there are no elements. Okay. And this set has 5 has an element. Okay, that is how you have to understand. Note, if A and B are equal sets, we write A equal to B. If A or B are unequal sets, we write A not equal to B. A set does not change if one or more elements of set are repeated. For example, if we are given A equal to A, B, C, B equal to A, B, 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 C, 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 then we write B equal to A comma B comma C. Since every element of A is also an element of B and every element of B is also element of A. The two sets are equal, A and B are equal, or A is this and B are equal sets. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They are equal. Equal sets are equivalent sets, but equivalent sets need not to be equal sets. For example, if A equal to PQ or ST, B equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, here N of A equal to N of B, right? So A and B are equivalent but not equal. Okay, that is the difference. Universal set. A universal set is a set which contains all the elements of all the sets under consideration and usually denoted by U. Okay, right. For example, if we discuss about the elements in natural numbers, then the universal set U is the set of all natural numbers. Okay, right. If U equal to X, X belongs to N. If A is Earth, Mars, Jupiter, then the universal set U is the planets of solar system. Okay. Uh, Coming to the subset, let A and B are two sets. If every element of A is also element of B, then A is called subset of B. Okay, B is a bigger set and where has some elements of B. Okay, it will be written like this: A equal to B, right? A is a subset of B is read as A is a subset of B. Okay, thus A is subset of B if A belongs to A implies A belongs to B. Okay, if A is not subset of B, we write A is not a subset of B like this. Okay. Clearly, if A is a subset of B, then n of A less than or equal to n of B. Since every element of A is also element of B, uh, the set B must have at least as many elements as A. Thus, n of A less than or equal to n of B. The other way is also true. Suppose that n of A is greater than n of B, then A has more elements than B, and hence there is at least one element in A that cannot be in B. So A is not a subset of B. Okay. Okay. For example, this is a subset of this, or this is not subset of this because 4 is not there. Thinking corner, if see these sets, Z is bigger set and then W and then N. If W subset of N or Z, W is subset of Z, not N. Okay, yes. Insert the appropriate symbol in each blank to make a true statement. Okay, I'm not going to insert those weird symbols here, but I will tell orally. 10, 20, 30 is a subset of 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, PQR is not subset of WXYZ. This is pretty simple activity. Discuss with your friends and give examples of subsets of sets from your daily life situation. Mhm. Write all the subset of A equal to A comma B. Phi is a subset of every set. Okay, A like this, B like this, and AB. These four are the subsets of A equal to A comma B. Note, if A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, then A equal to B. That's pretty simple. In fact, this is how we define equality of sets. Empty set is a subset of every set. This is not easy to see. Let A be any set. The only way for an empty set to be not a subset of A would be have to have an element X in it, but X not in A. Okay, but how can X be in an empty set? That is impossible. So this is the only way being impossible. The empty set must be a subset of A. Is your head spinning? Maybe. Think calmly, explain to a friend, and you'll agree it is right. It is all right. Need not to discuss so much about this. Empty set has no elements, right? So every set has some elements. Okay, so empty set is a subset of that's any set. Okay, okay. Proper subset, if A and B are two sets, if A is a subset of B and A not equal to B, then A is called proper subset of B, and we write A is a subset of B. For example, if A equal to 1 to 5, B equal to 1 to 3 4 5, A is a proper set of B, okay, because A is not equal to B. Disjoint sets, two sets A and B are said to be disjoint if they do not have a common elements. Do not have common elements. In other words, A intersection B is 5. Then A and B are said to be disjoint sets like this. Okay. Right. Verify whether A is this, B is this, or disjoint sets. 20, 22, 23, 24. Yes, they are disjoint sets. Right. Power set. The set of all subsets of set A is called power set of A. It is denoted by P of A. If A is equal to 2 comma 3, then find the power set of A. The subsets, all subsets you already know, 5, 2, 3, 2 comma 3. This is the power set. What is power set of A? A power set of A consisting of all these subsets. Okay. If A is this, then the power set of A will be write all the subsets. Okay. 5, 5, 5, high 5, sci-fi. An important property, we already noted that n of A is less than or equal to n of P of A. But how big is P of A? Think about this a bit and see whether you come to the following conclusion. If n of A equal to n, then n of P of A equal to 2 power m. See the elements here. They are 2. What are the elements here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. That is 2 square, right? So if n of A is m, then n of P of A will be 2 power m. P of A is power set. The number of proper subset of set A is n of P of A minus 1. That is 2 power m minus 1. Right. Find the number of subsets and number of proper subsets of set X. A, B, C, comma X, Y, Z is the set. Mm-hmm. Number of subsets. Number of subsets equal to 2 power 6 64. Number of proper subsets 64 minus 1 63. Every set has only one improper subset. Verify this fact using any set, the set itself. Find the cardinal number of the following sets. Exercise 1.2, find the cardinal number of the following sets. That you can do. Okay, not a big deal. Identify the following sets as a finite or infinite. The set of all districts in Tamilnadu finite. The set of all district straight lines passing through a point, that is infinite. Oh, x is equal when x is less than 5. When x belongs to z, this is definitely finite. Okay. Z means whole numbers, right? N is natural numbers. Z is W is whole numbers. What is Z then? Z all integers, so that is infinite. All integers means that is infinite. Okay. X square minus 5x plus 6x equal to 0. X you will get only two solutions, right? So this is finite. Right. Which of the following sets are equivalent or unequal or equal sets? A is set of vowels in the English alphabets. Nothing but A, E, I, O, U. The set of all letters in the word V, O, W, E, L. A, E, I, O, U. They are 5. Vowel also 5. So they are equivalent. See 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5 is also equivalent to A, B, or C. X is a letter in the word life. These are only 4. So this is unequal to ABC. G is X is a prime number between 3 to 23. Prime number means 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Okay. So there are 6 prime numbers in between. So this is also unequal to the rest. D is X so varies from 1 to 5. That means 2, 3, 4. Okay. 2, 3, 4. This is also unequal to the rest of the 5. Okay, we need to compare this and this, I guess. Then 2, 3, 4. See, these are unequal. This life and this 5. Not only these two are equivalent, they are equal sets also. Okay. And what about this? 6 numbers are there. X is divisor of 18. Divisor of 18 means 2 is there. 3 is there. Mhm. 6 is there. Okay. 9 is there. Okay. 18 is there. 1 is there. So total are 6. So these two are equal sets. Not equal sets, equivalent. These two are equivalent. The number of variables are same. The number of elements are same. Okay. N of G equal to N of H. Identify the following sets as null set or singleton set. This is null set. Okay. There is no natural number between 1 and 2. The set of all even natural numbers which are not divisible by 2. That is also null set. C is singleton. The set of all triangles having 4 sides. This is also null set. Okay. State which pairs of sets are disjoint or overlapping. A is this, B is this. A, okay. F is there. Only 2 elements are there. So these are overlapping. X is a prime number. X greater than 2. X is an even prime number. So these two are disjoint. Okay. There is no common element. X is a factor of 24. X is a multiple of 3. X less than 30. X is a factor of 24 means 3 is there, 2 is there, 4 is there, 6 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 6 is there, 8 is there, 24 and 1. In total there are 7 elements. X is multiple of 3. 3, 6, 9. They are in total 9. 3 to 27. 3 9 is 27, right? X is a factor of 24. How many are there? 2, 3, 4, right? 6, 8, 12, okay, and 24 and 1. Total 8, 8, okay. These are total 9. And but they are overlapping, right? They are overlapping. There are common elements. S is square, rectangle, circle, rhombus, triangle. List the elements of the following subset of S. The set of shapes which have four equal sides. Mhm. Four equal sides: rhombus, square, right? List the elements of the following subset of S. First one is subset of S. Second one, the set of shapes which have a radius. Circle. List the elements of the following subset of S. Third one, the set of shapes in which sum of all interior angles has 180. That is triangle. Yeah, triangle is also there. The set of shapes which have five sides. No, five sides is not there. Okay, these are restricted to four only. So fourth one is not. A equal to, write all the subsets of A, that you can do. Write down the power set of the following sets, that also you can do. Find the number of subsets and find the number of proper subsets of the following sets: red, blue, yellow. Okay, x equal to x square, where x square is less than equal to 100, up to 10. Then 1, 4, 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100, up to 100. So total 10 elements. Okay, if n of a equal to 4, find n of p of a. 2 power 4, 16. If n of a equals 0, find n of p power a, p of a. 2 power 0, 1. If n of p of a is 256, find n of a. 256 means um, 16. 16, 16 is 256, right? Right, 16. Set operations. We started with numbers and very soon we learned arithmetical operations on them. In algebra, we learned expressions and soon started adding and multiplying them as well. It rewriting x square plus 2, x minus 3. Now that we know sets, the natural question is what can we do with sets? What are the natural operations on them? What are natural operations on them? When two or more sets combine together to form one set under the given conditions, then operations on sets can be carried out. We can visualize the relationship between the sets and set operations using a Venn diagram. Okay, when two or more sets combine, okay, Venn diagram. John Venn was an English mathematician. He invented Venn diagram, which pictorially represent the relation between the sets. Venn diagrams are used in the field of set theory, probability, statistics, logic, and computer science. Complement of a set. The complement of a set A is the set of all elements of U, the universal set, that are not in A. Okay, it is denoted by A bar, A dash, or A complement, AC. In symbol, A complement is equal to X. X belongs to U, where X is not equal to A. This is symbolic form. Venn diagram for a complete complement of a set. See, this is shaded region represents A. Now the shaded region represents A dash. Okay. In U, whichever is not part of A is A dash. For example, if you all boys in a class and A boys who play cricket, then complement of set A is A dash. That means boys who do not play cricket. Let's see some examples. Example 1.10 is if U equal to C D E F G H I J, A equal to C D G J, then find A dash. The remaining things C D G J, that you need to remove from U. The remaining remaining elements will be A dash. Okay, that is E F H I. So A dash whole dash becomes A. U dash is 5, 5 dash is U. union of two sets. The union of two sets A and B is the set of all the elements which are either in A or in B or in both. It is denoted by A union B, read as A union B. In symbol A union B equal to X, where X belongs to A or X belongs to B. The union of two sets can be represented by Venn diagram. Venn diagram as so given below. A and B have when A and B have common elements. This is the Venn diagram, and A and B are disjoint. This is the Venn diagram. For example, if P is Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, and Q equal to Europe, North America, South America, then the union of set P and Q is Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, Europe, North America, South America. So A union A is A union phi is A union U is U, where A is any subset of universal set U. A is subset of A union B and B is subset of A union B. A union B equal to B union A. Union of two sets is commutative. If P is M comma N and Q is M comma I comma J, then represent P and Q in Venn diagram. Hence find P union Q. See, this is the Venn diagram. P union Q is nothing but N M I J. Alright. From the Venn diagram, we can simply tell intersection of two sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is a set of all elements common to both A and B. It is denoted by A intersection B. In symbol, A intersection B equal to X, where X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Okay, it should belong to both. Intersection of two sets can be represented by Venn diagram as given under. Okay, this highlighted area is the intersection part. If A is 1, 2, 3, B equal to 2, 3, 4, A intersection B is nothing but 2. Because 2 is the only common element between A and B. If A is X, X is an even natural number and 1 less than X less than or equal to 12. Okay. And B is equal to X. X is a multiple of 3. X belongs to N. And X less than or equal to 10. B two sets. Find A intersection B. First write the elements in A. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 also, because X less than or equal to 12, right? So 12 is included. If X is less than 12, 12 is excluded, otherwise it is included. B 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 is also included. Okay. Now what is A intersection B? 6, 12. Okay. If A equal to 2, 3, C equal to 5, then A intersection C is 5. There is no common element, hence A intersection C is 5. Note A intersection A is nothing but A. A intersection 5 is nothing but 5. A intersection U is nothing but A, where A is any subset of universal set U. A intersection B is subset of A and A intersection B is subset of B. A intersection B equal to B intersection C, so intersection of two sets is commutative, like union. When B is subset of A, the union and intersection of A and B are represented in Venn diagram as follows. B is subset of A. A union B, nothing but A. Okay. A intersection B is nothing but B. If A and B are any two non-empty sets such that A equal to B, A intersection B equal to B, A union B equal to A intersection B, then A equal to B. Okay. If it is A union B is equal to A intersection B, then A equal to B. Let n of a equal to p, n of b equal to q, then minimum of n of a union b equal to maximum of p comma q. Maximum of n of a union b equal to p plus q. Minimum of n a of a intersection b is 0. Maximum of n a intersection b is minimum of p comma q. Okay. Difference of two sets. Let A and B be the two sets. The difference of sets A and B is the set of all elements which are in A but not in B. It is denoted by A minus B or A slash B, read as A difference B. In symbol A difference B equal to X, X belongs to A and X does not belong to B. B minus A is Y, Y belongs to B and Y does not belong to A. It's clear if you look at the Venn diagram. See the Venn diagram. A minus B is this. B minus A is this. Oh, wow, wow. So A minus B in this case is only A because there is no uh, common elements. There are no common elements. Okay. Let's see an example. If A equal to minus 3, minus 2, 1 comma 4, B equal to 0, 1, 2, 4. Find A minus B and B minus A. What is A minus B? What are the common elements in common elements, that is A intersection B, that you need to remove from A. Okay. What is A intersection B? Oh, 1 is there, 4 is there. Remove 1 and 4. Minus 3 minus 2 is A minus B. What is B minus A? 0 comma 2. Symmetric difference of sets. The symmetric difference of two sets A and B is the set A minus B union B minus A. It is denoted by A delta B. A delta B x equal to x. X belongs to A minus B or x belongs to B minus A. A dash equal to U minus A. A minus B equal to A intersection B dash. A minus A equal to 5. A minus 5 is A. A minus B equal to B minus A. Okay. Either if A minus B equal to B minus A, then A equal to B. If if A minus B equal to A, B minus A equal to B, then A intersection B is 5. That is disjoint. So if A equal to 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9, B equal to 8 comma 10 comma 12, find A delta B, that is A minus B union B minus A. First find A minus B. Oh, the 8, remove 8, 6, 7, 9. B minus A, do 8, 10 comma 12. A minus B union B minus A, 6, 7, 9, 10, 12. What is A minus B intersection B minus A? There are no elements which are connected, right? So it is nothing but 5 in this example. Not only in this example, everywhere you will get 5 only. Okay. Represent A delta B using Venn diagram. This part, this part. So a delta a equal to 5. A delta b equal to b delta a. A delta b equal to x. X belongs to a union b, and x does not belong to a intersection b. A delta b equal to a union b minus a intersection b. In that way also you can write. From the given Venn diagram, write the elements of a, b. First a we will write a, e, I, o, u. Okay. What about b? B, C, E, O. What about a minus b? A minus b, a, I, u. What about b minus a? B, C. What is a complement? A complement is B, C, E, O. Sorry, EO won't come because that is intersection part, right? So BC DG. So what is B complement? B complement is BC DG. Sorry, whatever not there in B. So A complement is BC DG. B complement is AIU DG. Okay. What is U? AB CD EG IOU. Okay. Draw the Venn diagram and shade the region representing the following sets. A dash is, this is the Venn diagram for A dash. A minus B, old dash. What is A minus B? Yes, this is A minus B. Old dash is the remaining thing. A union B, old dash. This is A union B. So old dash is this. Okay. So we came till exercise 1.3. We'll stop it here. We'll continue from exercise 1.3 in the next session. Thank you. Nandri Vanakkam. Are you tired of dental problems? Then listen to this. Stop brushing your teeth using plastic brush and chemical paste. Use nature's gifted neem stick for brushing your teeth and stay healthy.